New York Stock Exchange to delist the three biggest Chinese telecom stocks. The three companies will be suspended from trading as early as 7 January 2021. So, what will happen after 7 January and what can you do now? Hi buddy, in this video, you are going to discover three things. Number one, what are the three companies that are going to be delisted from the New York Stock Exchange? Number two, how does it affect you as a Chinese stock investor? And number three, why does US authority want to delist those Chinese stocks? So, what are the three companies that are going to be delisted? On 31st December 2020, the New York Stock Exchange announced that the three companies, namely China Telecom Corporation, China Mobile and China Unicom, will be suspended from trading as early as 7 January 2021. The US exchange will remove American depository receipts issued by China Telecom, China Mobile and China Unicom between 7 January to 11 January to comply with Trump's executive order. Basically, by 11 January 2021, the New York Stock Exchange will suspend the ticker symbol CHA, CHL and CHU. So, if you are existing shareholders or you are considering to invest in these three companies, do take note as well. So, how does it affect you as Chinese stocks investors? As this is a new policy by Donald Trump to delist Chinese stocks, most people do not know the real implication as there are no benchmark or reference from the past to this. And this has caused panic selling from existing shareholders of most of the Chinese stocks out there. However, do note that all three stocks, China Unicom, China Telecom and China Mobile, are also listed in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. So, if you are existing shareholders of any of the three stocks, you have the choice to convert your US shares to Hong Kong shares accordingly. For China Mobile, one CHL share can convert into 5 Hong Kong shares. For China Telecom, one CHA share can convert into 100 Hong Kong shares. For China Unicom, one CHU share can convert into 10 Hong Kong shares. So, do contact your stockbroker for more details and requirements regarding the conversions. Trump's orders ban US investors from owning or trading any securities that are exposed to those firms. This includes pension funds or owning shares in the companies that are banned. Investors will have until November 2021 to liquidate their stocks. Major stock index including MSCI and S&P Dow Jones indices have reacted by removing some of the blacklisted constituent stocks and bonds from their global benchmarks to obey the executive order. So why does the US authorities want to delist those Chinese stocks?
Why?
Trump's executive order states that when you as US investors trade or own stocks of the 35 blacklisted Chinese companies related to the Chinese military, you are indirectly funding the Chinese military which deemed as a threat to national security. Furthermore, the order said the People's Liberation Army is a threat to the US and is increasingly exploiting United States capital to gain an edge in its military.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Basically, Trump is saying that the Chinese military indirectly are raising funds from the US investors. And by raising funds, it can build its Chinese military to become stronger and stronger. And when the Chinese military becomes stronger, it is a threat to US national security. So this is what the order meant. Do note that previously, President Trump has signed a new law to kick Chinese company off if they fail to comply with the new policy 3 years in a row. Therefore, we can use these three delisting companies as a benchmark to foresee what will happen if Chinese companies are delisted from the US Stock Exchange. Anyway, if you want to know more about what will happen if your Chinese stocks is being delisted, I have shared the details in my previous video over here. So do check out. I hope you truly benefit from this sharing. Do subscribe to this channel so that I'm able to share more insights with you to profit from the stock market together. I will see you in the next video.